Welcome students, myself Mehak Pasha, and today in this session we will solve worked example problems of the chapter that is linear equations in one variable. Students, now we will discuss how to find the solution of the given equations. Now here there are two methods. So the first method is we should solve the linear equation without disturbing the equation. Okay, so let us do the first one. Rewrite it once again. 2x minus 3 equals to 7. Okay, here what is there this side? 2x minus 3 equals to 7 is there. So here the first method is what I told you, we have to find the solution of the given equation without disturbing the equation, or we need to find the solution for the given equation by balancing the equation. So here minus 3 is there. So what you need to do? Add plus 3 on both sides. Okay, so we need to add plus 3 on both sides. Add plus 3 on both sides. Next, when we add plus 3 on both sides, so what happens? This will get cancelled, and what is remaining? 2x equals to 7 plus 3 is what? 10. Okay, so now look at here, what is there? 2x equals to 10 is remaining. Okay, so now what is there here? 2 is there, no? So we need to divide the equation by 2. Divide the equation by 2. Okay, I am writing in shortcut form. So here when we divide the equation by 2, so 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 5s are. Okay, so x is equals to 5. Look at here students, what is the solution for this equation? The solution for this equation is what? X is equals to 5. So this is one of the method to find the solution for the given equation. Now we'll find the solution of the equation by other method. Okay, so rewrite it once again. Okay, so look at here, what is there? 2x minus 3 equals to 7 is there. So what you need to do? Transpose this minus 3 that side. Okay, so when you transpose this minus 3 that side, it will become plus 3. It will become plus 3. Okay, so now 2x is equals to 7 plus 3 is what? 10. And now you transpose this to that side. So here 2x is there, no? So 2x is nothing but 2 into x. So here multiplication is there. So when you transpose this 2 to the other side, it will become divided. Okay, so x is equals to 10 by 2. So what is the remaining? 2 1s are 2 5s are. So what is the answer, students? Look at here, we have got the solution, that is x is equals to 5 is the solution for this equation. Okay, so this is the usual method. Now we'll solve the second question. Okay, so first we'll solve with the first method. So here rewrite it once again. 2y plus 9 is there equals to 4. Okay, so now look at here, what is there? 2y plus 9 equals to 4 is there. So we need to remove this. If you want to remove this, means what we need to do? We need to subtract by 9 on both sides. Okay, now 2y plus 9 minus 9. Now, so this will be cancelled. So 2y equals to 4 minus 9 is what? Minus 5. Why minus 5 means the bigger number sign is what? Minus. Now here 2 is there. So in order to remove this 2, what we need to do? It is here in multiplication, that is 2y means what? 2 into y. So here if you want to remove this 2, so what we need to do? We need to divide by 2. Okay, so divide equation by 2. So here 2y by 10 is equals to minus 5 and 2. Okay, now 2 gets cancelled. So what is remaining here? So here y is equals to minus 5 by 2 is remaining. Okay, so here this is the solution for this equation, that is y is equals to minus 5 by 2. Now we'll solve the same question by usual method. Okay, so here 2y plus 9 is equals to 4 is there. So transpose this plus 9 there. Okay, so 2y is equals to 4. If plus 9 comes that side means it will become minus 9. Okay. So 2y plus 4 minus 9 is what? Minus 5. Okay, now, so transpose this to that side. Here it is in multiplication. That is 2y means 2 into y. If you transpose 2 there, it will become divided. Okay, so here y is equals to minus 5 by 2. So here what is the solution? Y is equals to minus 5 by 2. Now we'll solve the third question. So what is given? X by 3 plus 5 by 2 equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so here rewrite it once again. X by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 3 by 2. So now, so for what is the first thing? We need to remove this one. So what is here? If you want to remove this, what we need to do? We need to subtract by 5 by 2 on both sides. Subtract 5 by 2 on both sides. Okay. So now x by 3 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So this will be cancelled. Plus 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 will be get cancelled. So x by 3 equals to, so look at here, denominator is same, no? As the denominator is same, so take as it is. So minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5. Look at here, x by 3 equals to minus 3 minus 5 by 2 is there. Okay, so now x by 3 is equals to minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 by 2. So now here x by 3 equals to minus 8 by 2 is there. Okay. So here it is in division. So what we need to do? We need to multiply 3 so that it can be get removed. So multiply 3 on both sides. That is x by 3 into 3 into 3. So this 3 gets cancelled. So what is here? Minus 8 into 3. What is it? 8 3s are 24 divided by 2. Okay, 2, and here 2 1s are 2, 12s also. Okay, so x is equals to minus 12 is the solution for this equation. Okay, so what is the answer? So x is equals to minus 12 is the solution for this equation. Now we'll solve the equation by usual method. Okay, so here x by 3 plus 5 by 2 equals to minus 3 by 2. Transpose this plus 5 by 2 that side. Okay, so here x by 3 equals to minus 3 by 2. So when you transpose this one to that side, so what will become? It will become minus 5 by 2. Okay, so here x by 3, as the denominator is same, so take 2 as it is. So minus 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 8. So what is here? X by 3 is equals to minus 8 by 2. So what is there? X by 3 is equals to minus 8 by 2. What is the next thing? Now here, so you need to transpose this 3 to that side. Okay, so here when you transpose this 3 to that side, it will become multiply. X is equals to minus 8 by 2 into 3. Plus into minus means minus 8 3s are 24 by 2. 24 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 12s are. Okay, so what is that? X is equals to minus 12. So x is equals to minus 12 is the solution for this equation.